Happy morning. I'm Ritika. My project name is Saving Water in Agriculture Field. When it rains and it will save water here in the wall and it will do the routine work and it will go to here and there is a motor fits here and the battery also fits here. And we can attach the battery here. When we on the switch, the water will flow through the agriculture field. Thank you.